Hey everyone, welcome back to MendIt Tech, where we fix, explore, and predict the future of tech. In this video, we're diving deep into the iPhone 2026, leaks, patents, and insider reports revealing what Apple's next-gen hardware could bring. Anticipated to be named the iPhone 18, this model is rumored to feature a true all-screen display, integrating Face ID and the selfie camera completely under the screen. Some Pro models might even introduce a revolutionary foldable design, featuring a durable titanium hinge and a crease-free fold, offering a book-style experience. Material changes are also expected, with some Pro models potentially sporting a partly transparent back to showcase internal components like a vapor chamber cooling system. Performance will see a significant leap with the A20 Pro chips, likely built on a 2-nanometer process, and Apple's in-house C2 modem for complete independence from Qualcomm. Expect camera upgrades like a variable aperture on the Pro's main camera and an improved 24-megapixel front-facing camera across all iPhone 18 models. Grab your coffee. This one's exciting, as iOS 27 will bring advanced AI features, including a redesigned Siri and AI-powered web search. Apple is reportedly switching to a next-generation titanium alloy frame, similar to the Apple Watch Ultra 2, but lighter. The bezels will be almost invisible, giving an edge-to-edge display experience. And the back glass might finally be matte with built-in micro-cooling vents to reduce heat while gaming or charging. Good news! The 120Hz promotion display won't be limited to Pro models anymore. Every iPhone 2026 model could finally get a 120Hz OLED panel with LTPO 4.0 for smoother performance and better battery efficiency. Rumors also suggest 2,500 nits peak brightness, brighter than any iPhone ever made.
The heart of the iPhone 2026 is expected to be the A20 Pro chip, Apple's first processor designed for on-device generative AI. That means features like instant AI photo editing, real-time voice summarization, and faster Siri responses, all processed locally, not in the cloud. In short, more power, less lag, and better privacy. Apple might finally merge its periscope and wide lenses into one system called Fusion Zoom. Expect 6x optical zoom, sharper night photos, and cinematic-level 8K recording. Also, leaks hint at a new 3D depth sensor for better AR and portrait accuracy. Apple's 2026 iPhone rumors point to significant advancements in battery and charging technology. The biggest change could be the introduction of graphene battery cells, offering faster charging, cooler operation, and slower degradation than traditional lithium-ion. Combined with a rumored 35-watt USB-C fast charge, this could allow the iPhone to go from 0 to 70% in under 20 minutes. For ports and buttons, 2026 might be the year Apple says goodbye to physical buttons entirely. Expect solid-state haptics for power and volume, providing precise vibration feedback without any moving parts. Additionally, Apple might remove the SIM tray completely worldwide, moving to an eSIM-only future.
The iPhone 2026 is anticipated to bring significant upgrades, including enhanced connectivity features. It could support Wi-Fi 7, offering speeds up to 40 gigabits per second, a substantial leap in wireless performance. Additionally, a new version of satellite connectivity will allow users to send small media files, like short videos or voice notes, even without traditional network coverage. This feature is perfect for travelers exploring remote areas or for critical emergency situations where standard networks are unavailable. Beyond connectivity, there are whispers of a foldable iPhone prototype, codenamed Project Mirror, currently undergoing testing. This innovative design, featuring a book-style fold and dual displays, is more likely to debut in 2027 or even later. So, That's everything we know about the upcoming iPhone 2026, including its thinner design, AI brain, graphene battery, and the advanced fusion zoom camera. Which of these exciting upgrades are you most looking forward to? Share your thoughts in the comments below.